In the last video, we learned about one of the Python's advanced data type, the tuple. We saw what a tuple is, how to access it, and how to modify the tuple. Though it is a read-only, but still, how to modify the tuple. If you haven't watched that my previous video, I would highly recommend you to watch it before we start this one. In today's video, we'll try to understand what is dictionary, how this dictionary is different from list and tuple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Let's get started. We'll try to define a dictionary. First, we try to define a dictionary. Okay, all right. If you closely observe, the list we used square brackets, and tuple we used parentheses, and the dictionary what we are using, flower braces. In dictionary we are using the flower braces. See, but the way we are defining the list is completely different from the list and tuple, right? Here the dictionaries are basically, it follows the key value pair. What is the key value pair? Here, what is the key, what is the pair? This one it treated as a single element, and this will treat as another element, right? So both are two different elements, but it should follow the key value. Which one is key? The name is the key and value is Vijay. The phone number is the key and value is the 567484 something. The reason why this is failing, why this is failing, because I didn't even execute that the first shell. That's the reason it is not bringing the values. That's all. Okay, so yeah, I haven't executed the first shell. That's why it was throwing the error. Now just I have executed it, and then now I executed the second shell, and now this we can able to see the values. But try to understand this is really, it's a dictionary or not. Text one, that type. Okay, here we go. So it's a dictionary, right? And also this is how that Python will understand something which is between the flower braces. This is the dictionary. Okay. Now, in which order we are adding the element, the same order this will preserve. Let's say I'm adding another element here. See, let me try to print this one. See, it preserves this order, okay? But it won't allow you to add a duplicate element. So let me try to add the same element one more time. We'll see that. What's gonna happen? Let me try to print this. See, even though it is allowing you to add, but even though if I'm trying to print the same element, so what is happening? Let me add one more time. I will try to add this one. Just we are executed this, and again, see how many times it is displaying. In the output, the people can make a mistake, but still that the dictionary, when you are trying to access the dictionary, right? When this will, it will return the only once. See, though we have a duplicate elements here, but when you are accessing the dictionary, still it is showing only single element. It's a unique records. This will always, it returns the unique records. Understand? Now, next, that is there a way where we can check the length of the dictionary, the length of the list, like how we can check the length. Length also we can check here. What is the length of this dictionary? See, here I have many things. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here, see again, even though if I am trying to find a length of this whole dictionary, it is returning the unique. This will always count the unique number of key value pair, and this will return the value. That's how it works. But how to access the dictionary? They're quite similar to the list, but list and tuple we are accessing with the help of the indexing. But here in the dictionary, we will access the element with the help of keys. What is the key here? Name, right? Name spelling wrong. Here we go. See, this is how we have to access here. As I said that this is the key, this is the value. Okay. If you might have a doubt, can I access the element with the help of the value? It won't allow you. If I try to access like this, so what's going to happen? Right. You understand? It won't allow you. It's like a key error. There is no key defined with the Vijay, right? It's a key. Vijay here is a value. It's not a key. The name is the key, right? Only we can access the dictionaries with the help of keys. How to change the dictionaries? Okay, with the help of the keys, we can going to change the dictionary, right? First, let me print the dictionary. Okay, here we have, right? Let me try to change the name with the help of the key. But here I have defined a new list here. Basically, you have to refer this one, right? Just I'm using the same thing now. Just we'll see what's going to happen now. See, I'm referring the same, the recently defined list, dictionary 2, and just I'm changing it to Vijay. So still it is allowing you to change, right? See guys, this is how you can change, right? With the help of the keys. See, I have defined a second list, second dictionary, and then I modify, earlier it was Raju, then I have modified to Vijay, right? Now see, if you print this one, I can see that latest value. This is how you can change the values. Even there is another way where you can modify the values. The similar thing, like what you can do is you can just update the any value with the help of dictionary 2 dot update. Just again you have to specify the key. Okay, this is the key, and what you want to change, just I want to change some run. See, this is also another way where we can update the values in the dictionary. See, now it is modified. And very important thing here, what can be a dictionary key? The dictionary key is basically it's a fixed values. Keys basically it's a fixed values. What are those? Like you can say int, float, and you say complex number. This can be a, see, value can be anything, but the keys it's a fixed value. As I said that we can't change the keys, right? It won't allow you to change the keys in the dictionary. It won't allow you to change the keys. Very important this point. Okay, it can be a string also. Okay, so so these are all the fixed keys. Like keys are always fixed. Once you define, the keys are fixed. It won't allow you to change, but values can be changed with the reference of the keys. If in case of if somebody asks you to give the one key multiple values, let's say my name is Vijay and SF, like let's say 2. Try to print this first. Okay, and if I do like this, okay, if somebody asks you to check whether the key is available or not, the in is the operator where you can use and to check the whether it is there or not. It's a true, which means it is there. Let's say if I use this one, say it's false, the key is not there at all. If I use name in dictionary 2, like it's in a previous one, just I'm referring to the previous one, the dictionary 2, right? So dictionary 2, we have a key, the name is there. This is how you can check that whether it's basically it's present in the dictionary or not. That can be done with the help of the in operator. Okay, can we change the dictionaries? Yes, as I said that we can do that. Let's try to play another over here. Let's say I can do one. Okay, let me take this 3-1 actually. Basically now I will make it 0. Let's see what's happening. See, this is how you can access, even if you want to access with the with indexing, and this is how you can access. See, let me try to access dictionary 3 1 elements, right? It's a, again, as I said, that key value, key is must, like say 2 and 0. So what happens here? I can expect the Winnie here, right? We will use the key and then value. Yeah, dictionaries. And if you use this methods, we have plenty more. We have plenty of methods here. Pop item, it removes the item, and also the pop set the default and update values, and clear, copy, and also loop, remove items. We have many more. I will leave this link in our video description, this link, and as well as our collab link. The both links I will leave in the video description. I hope you learned something from this today's video. If you like this video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.